LMs and neural nets grab all the headlines, but a huge amount of real business prediction quietly runs on something much plainer called XGBoost, and the whole idea is hiding inside its name. The name is 3 words squashed together: extreme gradient boosting. Crack each word open one at a time and you've understood the whole thing. Start with boosting. You build many small, weak decision trees. A decision tree is just a little flow of yes or no questions. Each new tree's only job is to fix the mistakes the earlier ones made. Add them all up and the crowd becomes one strong predictor. Now gradient, how does the next tree know what to fix? It follows the slope of the error. That's the exact roll downhill trick from season 1's gradient descent. Every new tree takes one more step down the error.
And the extreme part?
E-extreme is just the engineering. It stops the model from overfitting, it builds many trees in parallel, and it uses the hardware cleverly. The payoff is a model that stays fast and accurate, even on big messy data. So where does it fit? On tabular data, plain rows and columns, the spreadsheets and filings companies already have. Loan defaults, customer churn, cash shortfalls, next month's sales, exactly the data real business runs on. Take a school that's 50 years old. Anyone can predict who will pass. The useful hard prediction is who won't, the backlog. XGBoost is built for that. A team of simple guessers, each fixing the last one's mistake, steered by the error's slope, engineered to run fast. That's why it got adopted everywhere. Adopted. Want the real thing? Read Chen and Gestrand 2016, XGBoost, a scalable tree boosting system. And that's our series. From a single straight line all the way to neural nets, LLMs, and prediction. You now think about machine learning the way a builder does. Thank you for watching.